Welcome to Watab. This is the park proper. We've got a cute little water park over here. We've got basketball hoops, tennis courts, water. The creek is right up there. And we've got the playground, which is right there. This is the picnic shelter. It can be rented out for events like graduation parties, birthday parties, things like that. It does have bathrooms. This is a new project that is going in. Look for updates on that one. We also have the volleyball court over here and our little trail that leads to the creek proper. Here is the Watab Creek Bridge. It's got some artistic community additions in some places, but this is the rustic bridge. I think this is the same bridge that was in when I was young, 20 years ago, 25 years ago. So this is the same bridge, Watab Creek. It is actually spring coming into summer, and so we've got some of the ephemeral flowers out. So it's actually a great time if you want to see early spring, summer wildflowers. And found this on the trail. Just a good reminder not to litter, because this isn't someone else's problem, and it does detract from the environment, the atmosphere, and it's not good for the ecosystem. So just a reminder, it will biodegrade because it is one piece of garbage, but it's better not to leave it out in the woods. So it's good to find proper trash receptacles. Some more wildflowers. Now, I've looked these ones up before. I should know these ones, and I've forgotten, but this is kind of a reminder that that's okay. That's going to happen sometimes. There are a bunch of apps and browsers that you can do an image search, and they'll help you out and tell you what they are. So don't fret. Guidebooks too. Some parks do have flower guides for hikers who are around, so we can help you figure it out. We've got some buckthorn trees here. They are actually introduced from Europe. They're technically invasive, but they spread rapidly. So these ones are coming up, and we've got a whole bunch of them right here. So we'll probably keep them around until someone does an initiative to kind of clean out some of the invasives and reintroduce the native plants. But in the meantime, they'll close the canopy and give us more oxygen and sequester more carbon. So it's actually not the worst thing ever to have these around for the time being. Walking by a little patch of moss here. Moss is actually great. It's reproduces via spores, so it's kind of unique in that way. It is very absorbent and takes in a lot of water, and it generally likes to be in the shade. So this is an established patch, so it looks like it's probably been here for a while. So we'll keep our eyes open for different varieties. There are different kinds of moss. So this one, you can kind of see the leaves on it, and some of them get really long and develop spear type things. So it's pretty cool to actually pay attention to those. Here's the creek, Watab. It goes down to the Mississippi.